Hey guys, it's Dark Tycoon and welcome to a tutorial on how to get the Promode achievement in Theme Park Tycoon 2. In this video I'm going to be showing a detailed guide on how to get it using a roller coaster that you can build, as well as how to use the advanced editor. So I'm on a different account today because I have the achievement on my other account, and I've used my other account for the other tutorials, but then I've also done those tutorials wrong. So I'm going to do it on a new account that does not have the achievement unlocked. As you can see, if we scroll down, where is it? It's somewhere. Promode, not yet achieved, so you'll know exactly when I get it. The thing you need to do to get this achievement is you need to build and open a tracked ride primarily using the advanced editor. What that means is to build a roller coaster or a vintage cars ride, because you make the custom track for both of those, and you need to open it. It does not need to go all the way around, the track. It does not need to work. It just needs to be primarily built using the advanced editor. On screen now, there should be a picture of a model that I made. That's roughly what I'm going to be building today on a different account to make sure that it would 100% work. So the first thing I'm going to do here is just delete my entire park because this park does not matter, and you don't need any guests to go on the ride. This is an old park, and I haven't played on this account in a while. But I do have enough money for this. 20,000 should be enough. You will see exactly how much it will cost. So let me just delete these rides. There we go. So I have $26,000, which is going to be more than enough. The first thing you're going to need to do is get your roller coaster. I'm going to be using the junior coaster because everyone should have it unlocked, and I don't have any of the other ones. And it is also the cheapest coaster. So I'm just going to start by building a very simple station. I'm just going to place 3 stations. You don't even need 3 stations. I'm just placing 3 because if you want a usable coaster, that's a nice amount. Then, instead of using these basic editor pieces, we're going to click on the Advanced Editor tab. Now, the way the Advanced Editor works, there are 3 different modes. I'm going to be using the spherical something whatever mode with this auto smooth setting. And the way it works, there are these 4 controls. The 3 circles and then this arrow. This white arrow changes the length of the track piece that you are currently making. The green one makes it turn left or right, and the red one makes it go up or down. And then the blue one, it adds roll, as you can see down here, or banking. And I'm going to be using all 4 of these rather, to create this coaster. The other important buttons in the advanced editor are the snap node to grid, which you will need to do. I'm just going to build this piece, for example, which you can do by pressing the build button. If you go into the basic editor, I can't use any of the basic editor pieces. But if I snap the node to the grid and then build it, as you can see, now it's on the grid, and now I can use the basic editor. Reset node, I'm going to remove these. Reset node will just reset the current track piece you're working on. For example, if you make something weird like this, you can just reset it and it'll become this normal straight piece. You can also manually set the roll, which I use if I've banked it on a previous piece, but I want to set it back to 0. I'll just put 0 in there. And then these snap lengths, if you are moving it around, you can turn on the snap length and the snap rotate to make it snap to specific amounts on the grid. So you can see here the rotate is snapping to certain amounts, and the length is also, but I'm not going to be using those, and I'm just going to reset the node. So the last part of the advanced editor is this track feature. You can set to normal, chain lift, station brakes, or block brakes for the junior coaster, or boosters, or any of the other things that are on other coasters. Alright, so now that I've hopefully described the advanced editor, I'm going to be showing you what I'm going to be building. So the first thing I'm going to do is switch the track feature to chain lift, and then move this red piece upwards to start creating a hill. Then I'm going to build a couple pieces. I'm going to build 3, then drag it down, and you don't have to do this, but I'm just going to snap it to the grid just to keep it like nice and even. Then I'm going to build it, go to track feature, back to normal, and now I'm going to rotate this at any angle that you want. I'm going to go roughly 90 degrees. Then I'm going to drag this out so it's a bit longer and move down the red one so it starts to create a hill. And I'm also going to tilt the blue one to the right to create some banking as well. This is using all 4 of the controls to make the track. Then I'm going to build, which you can do by pressing Q, which is what I normally do. And then I will drag the green circle to the right again, drag the red circle down a bit more, drag it out a bit, and build. Now it's getting close to the ground, so I'm going to bring the red circle up, bring the green circle in just a bit more, stretch it out. I'm just going to try and make it so it curves nicely. And then I'm also going to set the roll to 0. Then I'm just going to have it go up a little bit of a hill just by moving the red node and back down, which should be pretty nice for a little hill. And then for this last bit, I'm going to have it go up again. I'm going to drag it out, move the green one, move the red one up a bit more, and then move the blue one as well, and then continue moving the green one to the left, and then move red one back down. Blue one can't really move over anymore, and then I'm going to build that. And then the final piece, I'm just going to drag the green over a bit, and then this will snap the node to the segment, to the end of the other segment. If you click this, the track will connect, and you'll have a fully connected ride. I'm going to build that. It'll exit me out of the coaster menu. I'm going to place down the entrance, place down the exit, open the ride, and as you can see now, I have achieved the achievement Promode. So that's how you get the achievement. If you have any other questions, you can leave them in the comments, and I will try my best to answer them. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope it helps you out. And thanks for watching, and bye!